Hello, everybody. Today we have a special guest. Her name is Maya. She's a practice manager from Wiser MD. We started working with Dr. Wiser a few years ago. We did for them a very nice CRM system, but at some point, Maya came as a practice manager and she wanted something else. So today we're talking about a new application that we created for Wiser MD. Maya is the brain behind it. The result is fantastic. Maya, welcome to the show. How are you today?
Hi, I'm great. How are you? Thank you for the warm introduction. It's always a pleasure working with you.
Same here, same here. So Maya, what was missing in the medical CRM that we provided to you originally that you wanted to create something else?
So first of all, Zoho is a wonderful CRM with tons of capabilities. When I joined the practice, we had capabilities in terms of tracking leads, sending out information, but I wanted to improve the overall workflow of the practice. I wanted us as a medical practice to have a very proactive outreach and be in touch with patients. I also wanted patients to have clear-cut information, proper education, so that we can explain what the patient expectations are and responsibilities. And I wanted a more open access to communication.
And I know that you're coming with lots of experience also before Wiser MD. You've been working with surgeons for a long time. What is the missing component in terms of because I know that you're very much a patient-centric.
Correct.
What was missing that you wanted to feel? Like what was missing there?
So a more proactive outreach and ongoing communication. We do medically necessary and elective surgeries. It's a big decision to come in for a consultation, let alone to have the surgery itself. So the missing link was really the ongoing communication and consistent workflow, so that when a patient comes in, has a consultation, schedules surgery, they need active outreach to be sure what the next steps are. And they need time with the doctor.
What this active outreach means in terms of the function itself?
So it means the ability to follow up. So the CRM and the way that we designed it gives us access to the patient record when the consultation took place, what it was for, what the price was given, what the patient concerns were, and when we should be followed up with the patient. If the patient scheduled surgery by putting down a deposit, they have access to all of their invoices. They have emails, they have automation when the preoperative appointments are coming up, when the surgery is coming up, and what the expectations are and what the next steps from our office would be. So by saving administrative time, when the patient is in office, we're able to have more time with the patient. So it means more personalized care.
Yeah, and that's for sure something that is missing in today's healthcare.
Correct.
For sure.
Correct. Especially with AI and automation. We take advantage of it, but I also wanted us to make sure that we have a personal touch before and after surgery and during the consultation process, of course.
Right. And I know also that you like to have the semi-automated approach. You don't like things being sent to patients automatically. You want to review it.
Correct.
So the system is preparing everything for you.
Correct.
But you like to approve before it's being sent.
Correct. Absolutely. Yeah. And it gives us that capability.
Now, tell me a little bit about the creator application that we created for you. So you came with a very interesting process, and Zoho, by the way, also saw what you created, and they were super amazed by the final result. And all that is coming from your brain. So tell us a little bit about the reason of creating it and how it's affected the business.
It's an application that has unlimited capabilities that can let us track any data that we need on the patient during the consultation process and prior to surgery. So from a follow-up standpoint, we're able to send out quotes, pricing, information about the procedure. It gives us the capability to schedule follow-up appointments for patients and surgeries. What it also does is it can interlink procedures. So from a training standpoint, from when the practice expands and hiring more staff, what it does is it streamlines the process of having a consultation and giving proper patient information.
So some companies or some clinics will have one quote and this is where it ends, and some will have multiple quotes and they need to follow on the quotes. Some will send quotes and they will hope for the best that the customer will accept it. Mm-hmm. Some will have follow-ups on the quotes and the system will remind them. Can you give me a little bit information about how your practice is working with the system?
Of course. So the way that we're working is we provide a thorough consultation. Based on the consultation, we provide a quote for a procedure or several procedures. In the CRM, we have a dashboard that gives us a breakdown of exactly what transpired. So we have quote sent. If we have deals sitting in the quote sent, each deal has a next step. So if it's a quote sent, we have the capability to schedule another follow-up call with the patient or a task and see, does the patient need financing? Do they need more information? What the holdback is. Once a patient accepts and signs the quote, that gives us a better idea to say that the patient may be gearing towards moving forward with the surgery. So that requires more follow-up. And then, of course, once you have a quote that has been signed and we have a separate retainer where the patient can place a deposit automatically online and they have a copy of a receipt and the new invoice, that alerts us immediately that this patient is ready to proceed with surgery. So it creates a workflow process for the rest of the employees to A, go ahead and schedule the preoperative appointment, B, schedule the surgery itself. So it really breaks down all the patients that we speak with into specific categories.
So you will have, from my understanding, you will have each step. So consultation, quotation, payment, and
surgery scheduled, surgery completed, and so on.
And all those pieces are separated while you have automatic follow-ups or reminder for follow-ups at each step of the way.
Correct.
So not like other clinics, you guys are not dropping the ball on patients, that just waiting and hoping that you will come back to them one day.
No, that was the point of it, to never drop a ball, whether it's an initial consultation or a patient that's preparing for surgery. So the automation part of it saves us administrative time so that we can focus on more personalized care for every single patient that's coming to our practice.
Yeah, and I know Dr. Weiser personally is all about patients. He came to this industry from the good of his heart. He's a good person. He's able to do anything he wants in this world, and he chose to be a surgeon to help people.
Correct.
Yeah. So that's for sure. I know that the approach, and also your approach, which, as I said before, it's patient-centric.
Correct. It's a patient-centric practice. So we take advantage of the CRM and we automate what we can so that we have full transparency how the leads are being processed, where they're going, and that every single lead has customized care. So if they need financing, we have someone in the practice who will focus on financing. If they're ready for surgery, we have our nurse, we have our surgical coordinator who's doing the ins and outs and coordinating. And then, of course, we have Dr. Weiser himself preparing the patient for surgery, performing the procedure, and making sure that the patient is seen for the recovery process.
Now, what about the down payment process? So let's say that a quote was sent, and now it's in the customer's hands to approve it, pay the down payment, and then it's supposed to go into a cycle of multiple tasks to, again, for the patient, it's maybe super easy. I'm just going for a surgery, but for the clinic itself, there are a million things that's supposed to happen in the background in order for this patient to show up and have the surgery on time.
Correct. So our goal is to educate the patient, prepare the patient. So for
What it
us,
means, educate the patient. So let's say that I supposed to have an operation in a week from now. Am I going to get some instructions? Because I know that I will have probably like 1,000 questions of what will happen before and after.
absolutely, absolutely. So we address those questions by seeing all of our patients prior to surgery. And it goes to separate segments of the practice. So you have questions that are medically related, you have questions that are financially related. So the point of when someone commits to surgery by putting down a deposit is that from the administrative standpoint, we all have tasks that are specifically assigned to that patient. So let's say you're doing a surgery on the lower body, you need proper measurements for the garments that you're wearing. Patients need to know the location of the surgery, the time of the surgery. From the financial standpoint, you need to know when your final balance is due. You need to know that we have financing options, and all of that has a specific staff member assigned so that we're providing the proper education to the patient, steps of the recovery, and scheduling preoperative appointments, which are a crucial part and a mandatory part of preparing the patient for surgery, so that nothing gets missed in the process.
That's a huge point, because I do know that in some clinics, patients are super unhappy because they feel lost. They don't know what will happen before, what will happen after. When we're dealing with insurance or cash, it's all messed up. So, yeah, I think it's super interesting the way that you took it to the next level, and you have both the meeting and also you're sending emails with instructions and so on.
Correct. So the goal is to answer and address concerns or questions before the patient has the opportunity to even ask about them. So for us to be prepared and provide as much information as possible so that when they're in the office, they're spending more time with the doctor, they're getting the questions about the surgery answered, as opposed to the administrative and the ins and outs, to make a smooth transition and a smooth process for the patient with, no confusion.
And whenever you have the patient running the surgery, I assume that you have sometimes people that will need to come to multiple surgeries depending on their case. What do you do when that happens? Do you have some kind of a system to know what will be the following procedures? So again, we won't drop the ball on them.
We do. So that's the benefit of using Creator and integrating it with the CRM. So for one specific patient, you can make 2 separate deal pages or 2 separate quotes, and then you see how they move. So if we have a patient that did 1 surgery, we see that the transition of that particular surgery went from quote sent to payment received, to surgery scheduled, to the surgery actually being completed. And then you have another deal of that patient where it's only in the early stages, maybe in the quote sent page. But as you sent that quote out, you already have a follow-up appointment, which is mandatory for you to have a follow-up appointment on every quote sent. So you don't drop the ball, so that 2 months from today, I'll be reaching out to the patient to see what the next steps are.
I see. So yeah, that's a huge point, because I do know that that's probably one of the biggest points in terms of patients, that they are afraid to contact the doctor because they don't see it as a business. They see it as something much bigger than that. And they're just waiting for the clinic. And sometimes the clinic is never calling for the follow-up procedure.
Correct. So our approach is a very proactive approach. We like to be available for the patient. We like to reach out.
Now, you're already having this system for a few months. What is your feedback and how did it help your business so far? Do you see any kind of return of investment or anything positive in terms of implementing this system?
We do. So we're able to track the workflow of the patients. We're able to more effectively follow up because we have the proper stages in place. We have active communication. We're able to get reminders, automate things. So with the capability to automate and provide patients with a quote after they leave the office or do a virtual consultation, we do proper follow-up appointments, whether they're for the preoperative appointment or getting the patient to actually commit to surgery. So it does help with sales, but more importantly for us, it does help free up administrative time so that Dr. Weiser can focus on being one-on-one with his patients, and that we can do the same thing in office to properly prepare them for surgery.
Awesome. Is there anything else you want to add before we close the session?
It does have capabilities where we can add more taglines, and it can definitely help with patient follow-up and retention. So the Creator app has endless opportunities that we'll be taking advantage of.
Fantastic. Maya, thank you very much for sharing your experience with our audience. Thank you very much for your time.
It has been my pleasure.
Thank you, Maya.